Alright, morning, guys. Morning. Not financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Just figured I'd mention that. Alright, get my link to share. Share to the homies. And put it on other streams. Yeah, manipulation leg down. Here's news. Probably pump back up. All-time highs, man. Don't start at all-time highs. Let's see how far we go down. Okay, so let's do some analysis. I don't like how and Asia had, this is Asia, these lines. Asia is such a huge range on Asia. We still have London lows, a lot of sell side liquidity. We're at 962. I mean, we did about 59, 60, over 70 points in Asia. That's freaking insane. Like, that's crazy. Never do 70 points in Asia, so that's very telling, but we're at all-time highs. So let's see here. I mean, we're gonna go higher. Let's see here. Where's the displacement leg? Where's the manipulation leg? Here's what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set my standard deviations, project how far we can go. Here's our news candle. We got a news low. This potentially looks like our manipulation leg. This might. Let's see here. Standard deviations. So we already hit that level. Blast it past that. Here's another manipulation leg. So we're at 2.5 right now from this manipulation leg. We're probably gonna head up to 2.5, 5 to 4 if we're blasting past this. So I'll just mark these, but probably not gonna head back down there. Data lows. Yeah, I mean, not surprised. All-time highs. All-time highs. So let's just see, and then we have news at 9:45 as well. So 8:30 open is probably going to be pretty. Probably stay out until about 10 o'clock. Honestly, just gonna watch. Just gonna stay out and talk. If anybody wants to stay in with me. Going to write on something here. Yeah, I'm not looking to trade. Today's going to be probably a pretty bad day to trade because Asia session was super high. I'll be really picky with what we do. Excuse me. Okay. All right. So let me do some analysis here. Let's look at. Oops. I mean, I'm probably gonna creep up. Let's see here. We're hitting about negative 40 standard deviations. We could potentially come to reverse here if this manipulation leg is correct. Let's see here. Took out buy side here. Took out devil's mark. Let's see how clean price action is today. So this will. I want to see this on the daily. See negative 4 standard deviations. We hit here about negative 4. We might come down if we show some bearishness and have a CISD. Then I might go for these data lows, but I'll be real careful since we have news in at 9:45. Excuse me. So that's the deal. Thanks for joining, whoever's watching me. Thanks for joining. Let's see here. Let's see what we do. So like I said, if anybody's just joined, I'm going to be real picky and cautious today because Asia was such a huge range. And yeah, Asia was a huge range. I'm just going to go with the 4 hour, start looking at. So we got a 4 hour order block here. New day opening gap. Asia's range was so huge that I'm going to be real careful. See if this S&T is still holding. Delete that. Delete some of these old drawings that's still all the way down here. So if we close above, which probably will, it's going to be a 4 hour order block right here. Let's see what the hourly looks like. Yeah, hourly order block. Order blocks. Could get potential retracement down to these order blocks. And then back up. I'll just mark these as order blocks. And let's see if we take this leg. Let's get a here. Take the 50%. Potentially could do that. Let's see here. Delete this. This is a huge range if we 4-hour chase down here and get the support from this new day opening gap. I mean, it doesn't look likely because we're so high up. What do we? Yeah, nothing to the left. There's a breaker here, some support. Probably more clear on the 1 hour. Turn off this 1 session for life. Turn that off. Or 1 set for life. Yeah, there's a breaker right here. Breaker right there. Support from this breaker. Could be an LTE entry if we retrace this far back, but I doubt it. But I'll mark it. Yeah, volume imbalance, new day opening gap. We might retrace down there, but we'll see. If it does, then that'll be a good OTE entry if we want to still go long. So 1 hour. Yeah, this is probably the last leg. Let's look at the 15-minute. Big 15-minute support from this BISI. This would be the smaller range right here. Let me delete this. I'm just gonna go for. Actually, should I delete that? No, I'll keep that there. And then I'll turn this as a lighter, lower time frame range. This is the current range right here. Let's go to the 5-minute even and see if there's a 5-minute range here. It has a small range. The what's called the data low range, this candle range. But if we create an order block right here, we're going to continue going up. So here, about -4 standard deviations are here. And yeah. Let's see here. Okay. Yeah, so like I said, I'm kind of just staying away. Asia's expansion was so large. It was like it was a huge move on Asia. So probably gonna just stay out until news. Got an hour order. What do we have? We got daily order block right here. Let's open up ES here. This is the daily. take this manipulation leg on the daily, extend it out, see how far we could go potentially. Yeah, we're at about -2 standard deviations, so this is a good either reversal point or we blast through this and continue going up to -4 standard deviations. Some big higher highs at 5601. That's on the daily though, so I don't really do the daily. I don't typically do a daily standard deviations, but I mean I'll leave it I guess for now. Actually, I'm not gonna mark the daily. I'm gonna see the 4-hour. See how we're looking. Let's do this 4-hour manipulation leg right here. Yeah, so lines up about -2, -2.5. On the 4-hour standard deviations, so if we blast through this, we'll go up to -4 on the 4-hour. But like I said, I typically don't do the 4-hour. But anyways, let's just keep looking at ES here. On the 4-hour, definitely, obviously, really bullish. I'm just gonna mark out what I see here. I see some breaker right here on the 4-hour. Let's get rid of this breaker from before. I'm just gonna mark out breakers and order blocks on the higher time frame, and see if we can if price retraces down to those key levels. Whoops. Then potentially look at a play. Delete this. Let's mark out our fib 50% on this 4-hour leg. So that's your 50% retracement. It goes in, I mean, ideally, if we got a retracement back down there into the breaker and then go back up, that'd be nice. But yeah, and then we got the hourly, bunch of hourly order blocks, hourly breaker up here, hourly breaker right here. I'll just keep that. I mean, look at Asia's range on ES, freaking huge range. So just probably gonna stay out until after news at 9:45, I think. Where we at? Yeah, news at 9:45. So probably not gonna do much, but let me just make sure I'm on my right Apex account here. About a ton of these guys. 28. Here we go. So you can see my executions when I do execute. Thanks for joining, guys. Thanks for joining, everybody. I'm still waking up, obviously. So yeah, if you guys want to chat, you can chat in either my my Discord or just on. If you want to show your charts on the trading floor on my Discord, or chat on the stream and we'll talk. All right, so that's 1 hour on there. Bunch of 1 hour order blocks. Potentially, let's see, on the 15-minute. Yeah. Smooth that out. Huge manipulation like there. Let's look at the 5-minute and see if we can see any. Yeah, I mean, this is the manipulation leg of NVIDIA earnings that got released. That freaking, I got wrecked. I was just dumb and I had 8 evals going. I was up like $7,000 on each eval, target of 16,000. What's up? Sorry, cool, awesome, man. Well, thanks for joining. And anyways, I was up like $7,000. Had like halfway to go to pass my evals, and then I got wrecked. Trading CPI, or not CPI, trading the NVIDIA news, which was so dumb. So Not doing that again. So anyways, I'm gonna that's kind of my analysis right now. I'm just gonna keep it hourly on the right. I'm gonna keep a minute or 5 minute on my left. Got ES down here, got NQ up here. Currently just in a range. We're gonna chop around probably till news. So I'm just staying up, being really careful today. Had a large expansion in Asia. So typically when we have a large expansion in Asia, large range, then typically PA is pretty trash until like lunch or PM session. So I'm just kind of watching, and we'll see what today brings about. I mark standard deviations here. See -4. It's good. From this little manipulation leg here. So any leg down is like a manipulation leg. This is on the 1 minute on NQ. The bigger manipulation leg would let's say if we do the 5 minute or 15 minute. You know, here's manipulation leg right here. These order blocks. I think. Yeah, I mean, let's grade this out and see the standard deviations come up. So yeah, -2.5. Usually on the 5 minute, the 1 minute will show the 1 minute's standard deviation at -4. The 5 minute will show at -2.25. So yeah, right here, -2.25 on this manipulation leg. If we get a 5 minute CISD and break below this this huge order block here, then we're going to be bearish and we'll probably hit data lows. Well, at least short-term bearish to hit these data lows. So that's what I'm looking for CISD play. Also breaker right here. I mean, whatever, CISD, breaker, same thing. Not same thing, but very similar. This breaker confirms. Also inversion play. If anybody wants to go short, that's a trade idea. Inversion. But this is inversion, so it needs if it breaks this, that'd be pretty short-term bearish. If we break this bullish inversion right here. But let's see here. What's ES doing? Anyone looking for shorts? I mean, maybe, man. Maybe. What's going on with this? How come you're not showing ES? Yes. Well, yeah. Mine kind of does its own thing. I don't know if I. What's going on with this? Okay. Any SMTs? I mean, doesn't really matter, but I'm just kind of setting it up so I can see any SMTs. But this is ES up here, is YM. I think, right? Let me do, and then let me do. Yeah. So, yeah. Let's see. So yeah, we're getting support from this inversion inversion right here. And so, yep, nothing bearish yet. But a lot of sell side. We got data lows right here. First target. Dodges one setup for life play if it plays out. But I'm sitting on my hands probably till news at 9:45, and then we'll see. See what happens, and I'll just tape read until then. So yeah, 5 minute, this little manipulation leg down here, -2 standard deviations. We could potentially reject here this manipulation leg on the 1 minute, -4 standard deviations. Potentially turn around here. If this breaker confirms on the 5 minutes of CISD, No, Devil's Mark right here on the 5 minute. So we might head down here. Devil's Mark is candle without a wick. Higher time frame candle will be a higher likelihood for drawing liquidity. So we get that. That's the CIC on the 5 minute, and it'll confirm the breaker, especially if we violate this bullish inversion. So let's see what happens. I'll tape read this. This is yeah, we got open in about 35 minutes. Let's see what open does. Open might be pretty trashy. Yeah, I mean, shorts would be nice, but I'm looking at the chat on CJ's. Shorts would be nice, but is it CJ's? PJ's? Man, I get those names mixed up. Anyways, shorts would be nice, but all-time highs, man. You know, I'm very wary of shorting in all-time highs. I'll just watch and tape read. I think ICT says like just long until it doesn't work anymore. So let's see what happens if we get a breaker and a CISD on the 5 minute. If we violate this inversion, this bullish inversion, BPR, what do you want to call it? If we violate that, that'll be bearish sign. Looks like we are. I mean, you can take a 1 minute CISD play right here, but that's just, or probably more so like right here. If we violate this, we'll hit down to these internal lows for sure. That's 50% of this current. Let's see here. 50% of this current leg. Yeah, it's right about here at the internal lows. So I mean, you could go for a quick little scalp short to this 05 level. Was my sound off? What indicator gives me a different? Oh, so the indicator was higher time frame candles, ICT higher time frame candles. All right, we're gonna get a 5 minute CISD. Should I go short here? Do one contract? I think I'll go short here. We get this closed. No, I'm not gonna do it. The time is. Oh, I got some homies calling. What up, Christian? Oh, hold on, I can hear you. What's up, guys? You guys on stream? You guys on stream with me?
No.
Cool. Do your own thing, man.
Jack, you work too fast for me and I get all stirred up, so I'm doing what you do. Say, I've got a plan.
Nice.
I need to really focus on it. And I love it.
Dude, I've had that other t-shirt for like probably 7 years. No matter what I do, it's no style. So I'm wearing it, bro.
Anybody up in this trade? Jack, you in this trade?
Am I in this?
Yeah.
The short? No, I mean, I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna tape read it. I mean, we got open in 30,
Yeah.
so I could scalp.
I got in at a pullback before we passed this fair value gap, so I'm already like 9, 10 in already. So
You bet.
I'm hoping I'll get a good sweet trade here.
Are you going long?
No, I'm short. So we inverse this thing. We got an SMT, an ES.
We got SMT.
Yeah, I mean, it could
Oh, nice. Yeah, we do have SMT. Beautiful.
I want to break even pretty quick.
Yeah. See, we hit those.
If I were to,
We hit these internal.
break even.
Yeah, we hit these internal lows right there. We got a 5 minute CISD, and that's a good sign. I mean, I think we might go for data lows here.
That's what I'm hoping for. I got a good buffer here.
Breakers confirmed. I'll get in one contract. I'll get in one contract at this time. We're at this macro time. Oh wait.
Order working.
You know what? We just hit this trend line. I know I don't do a lot of trend lines, but I've been looking at trend
Why is it not
lines
showing?
conversions, and it's fire. But Are you?
Yeah.
Well,
Not
just,
to a
just
certain
kind
extent.
of
To a certain extent.
heavy divergence. I want to get out.
What is divergence, Josh? I have no idea.
Oh man, it's gonna run without me. I might go down to data lows.
Indicator.
Only divergence
Let's
I
see
know.
if I get a pullback. Dang it. CSD. Let's see. Let's go real light. Go real light.
Order
Okay.
filled.
There we go. Got one fill. We already hit internal lows, so I don't know. I'm a little worried because this is an OTE entry as well, so I think
Just this, it's hit two different trend lines.
I'm gonna aim for the middle of this the CE of this. I'm gonna aim for this.
Oh, let's go. I wish I had two.
I'll aim for the CE of this rejection block, but we might hit data low. So let's see here.
Order working.
I'll go light, real light one contract. Man, that's so loud.
Through the trend line.
I love all-time highs. It's so easy to chart.
Divergence perceives where it's either it's like an elastic rubber band.
So we've got SMT right here.
The rubber band is like
So this should be protective high. This stop above 23. If we are bearish, short-term bearish, we have a CISD play.
Tell me later.
yeah. Well, yeah.
And we just inverted that.
Fire, and some really great traders use it. It's just it doesn't always.
We got a breaker right here. Oh, sorry, bearish breaker. It shouldn't.
Makes sense.
Oh, this is a good sign though on this divergence. It's a good pulling back on the oscillators.
I'm going for about roughly about 13 points on one contract. Just gonna let this play out. Go real light. Let's see how we reacted at this the CE of this at the midway point of this rejection block. This wick, I mean. So that's about 50%. If we start showing some bullishness, then and reject that, I'll just exit for a quick little couple bucks.
I think that you will test that 953 to 924 level because it's top heavy, and the 9 EMA is 974. On the one
We got a 5-minute BISI right here, so I'm careful of this 5-minute BISI and rejection block.
I don't think Jack's listening to people.
Oh,
not either. Jack,
what's up?
you said?
Am I muting myself?
Yeah, on the Discord.
Oh, my bad. My Discord. Hold on, my bad. Let me go here. Shoot. SMT is yes. Okay. Yeah, could give up distribution. Okay, cool.
ES already took the data highs, but the data lows, by the way.
Did they?
ES took the data lows.
Oh, snap. All right, I'm gonna get out. Oh, it did. Then I'm gonna exit. I'm gonna exit for a little.
That was fire.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
I'm gonna exit for a little win. 112 win. This is like it was like 5 points. Where did you get in, Jesse?
I got hit up at 19,015.
Nice, dude. That's a great.
I saw that. Well, we had the inverse to 30-second. It dropped down, came back, and retested that block. And so I thought, you know what? I saw some good movement. Anyway, the
Yeah.
risk was like 3 points.
Yeah,
And I'm
that's
trying
great.
to think in those ways now.
Like my
Plus it lined up
without seeing
$3.
no 3 points. Or 3 handles, whatever.
Free hand, like,
3 handles, 3 handles, 3 points. without seeing the SMT, I had my thesis was correct as far as like the midway point of the wick, and it's at a 5 minute 5 minute busy or 5 minute for value gap, or what is that? Is that for, yeah. So we're gonna find support here. Probably go back up. I think I'm gonna go. I think you might want a long here. Not gonna lie.
Is there a 1 minute? I didn't look at the 1 minute. There's no inverse though.
Well, the reason why I say that is because this is an OTE. There's a potential long here. I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna watch it. But optimal trade entry, it's the 0.65. So if I'm looking at this current range of sorry, let me look at this OTE.
Where are you starting it? At the data lows? Or
Yeah, just the current range, data lows to the latest highs. This is an OTE entry, so
kind of thing, right?
yeah. I mean, but that's if we're still bullish. But I would only soup up to, I'll tape read this. Watch if I enter here. If
Well, there's some insane hidden divergence, so meaning it's like you're stretching to push up again.
yeah, I mean, I'll just tape read this. If I get in here, get in long at this OT entry, because ES and YM already took data liquidity. That, I mean, I'm not gonna take this. I'm just not trusting this price action.
I literally think it's gonna fall down to 967 at least.
Let's see what happens here. We do have a change in state of delivery in on the 5 minute, so that's looking pretty bearish. So, anyways, I'm gonna mark that. Get that out of the way. There's a tape read for
Regardless, sweet 16 points on one for this account.
Nice.
After listening to that video on like easy money trades,
yeah.
I'm thinking to myself, like, why the flip am I not doing that? I'm trying to catch every little trade. I'm like, just wait for those perfect ones, and then just go a little bit heavier if you need to.
Yeah, that's a great video. I've listened to that guy before. He's great, man. He's a scalper. He's made millions scalping, man. That's
Yeah, you're right. It's true.
so. Look, watch. We might kind of go back up and hit this 5 minute fair value gap.
Oh, never mind. Closed it.
So we might do this and then back down. But let's see if that happens or not.
God is doing it now.
Is he streaming right now? Oh yeah. I'm gonna get Dodgy give Dodgy a listen.
I like the fact that we can trade together. It's like really cool.
Oh dang, Dodgy is he is short.
No, he's because he took the inverse.
Yeah, he took the inverse. That was a good entry if you took that inverse up here.
Yeah. Technically, because of where I got in, I took the same amount of points he's gonna take if it takes data low, so I was happy.
Nice. If we retrace back up and hit this 5 minute Sibi, then I might re-enter short.
Yeah, baby. How's it order rejected? For what freaking accounts?
Order rejected.
I think I have some eval accounts that I failed, but they, for whatever reason, are still on my account. Like they haven't taken them off. So I'm just like, it's kind of weird, but I'll take it.
You can't. Can you trade them still?
So we got some equal lows down here.
So what's the news?
It's PMI. It is news is flash PMI. It's, whatever. I don't even care what the news is. Well, typically PMI and FMLC are like the big ones.
PMI looked really. FMLC isn't today.
What's that?
FMOC isn't today.
No, I'm just saying. Typically, I only care about those two, PMI and FMOC. Those are like the big movers. From what I've noticed.
I care about CPI more.
Oh, CPI as well. Sorry, yeah. So if we get a pop back up here, we might. Ooh.
You guys, I feel like you guys want to start off with some prayer before I can pray for us real fast for a trading day. I know you guys have started trading, but maybe we can pray.
Order working.
For prayer.
I'm getting FOMO.
Absolutely.
All right. Yeah. Jesus' name, Holy Spirit, bless Jesse with great trade ideas. Bless Jack. Great trade idea. Bless me with great trade ideas, Lord. Thank you that you're a provider. That will cause.
Order filled.
That's it.
Order working. Order filled.
I have to see.
What the heck just happened?
Order working. Order filled. Order working.
Let's just scalp a couple points here. Me?
Get some eval counts actually right now. 250, baby.
Order working. Order filled.
No.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
Boom. Hey, quick little scalp. Up $300 after the day. Nice. That was a quick little play. I should have went heavy on that. I knew that was gonna hit. Man, I should have went heavy on that. That's alright. Should have went heavy on that play. Only did three contracts, but that's okay. I'm just we're definitely bearish. Let me just look at where we're at here. I think we're gonna retrace down to so we're definitely below. We're violating that range. That's probably this range next. So if we I want to see us hit this order block and then go back up. Alright, that's good right there. So we got lots of sell side below. I'm gonna get my executions off there, knowing me. So let's see here, any SMT, we have SMT with, man, I should have went heavy on that. There was SMT up on top, bearish SMT, data lows, changes to delivery on the 5 minute. Probably gonna hit this level next. little low here, a little high. That's the next sell side, internal range of liquidity right there. Let's see here. I think I'm gonna so we got some order blocks here. Let's see here. If we get another retracement up and back down, that'd be sweet. We're definitely in bearish order flow right now. That there's lots of sell side down here. Some sell side. There. That's a sell side here. That's a major one right there. All right, let's get standard deviations out and see how far we can retrace. And I'm gonna measure the standard deviations. This is probably the manipulation leg up. See it here. On the 1 minute. So -2, yeah. I mean, we're probably gonna head down to around here. I think this is our major. Major target right here. Let's see here if we get a retracement back. And I'm going to say retrace, possibly. Okay, we're getting support from this 30-minute BISI. What else are we seeing? Let's see here. I want to see projection from this BISI right here. There it is, or SIBI. Let's see here. Order block supporting us. Definitely bearish. And let's see here. We're 50% of this leg. Just make this a little smaller. See what's ES doing. Is there any SMTs? So we're gonna, yeah, I think we're going here. Let's just change the color on this so you can see the sell side better. I want to see, ideally, I'd like to see a pullback on retrace up to this 5-minute BISI. If you look at this, yeah, that's probably not gonna happen. We're too bearish. But retracement would have been nice. Man, I'm already out of this play. Kinda wish I'd held. I think we're next target is 985 is next.
No, not anymore.
Yeah, I might be able to retrace at the open. We'll see.
I'm just hanging out. Stop really counts things. Like, trade with people who count like you did. So I'm not gonna do that.
Okay, so I think 985 is next. We got standard deviations around -225. We could potentially reverse at this level or take out more sell side at 981. But I'm just gonna wait till open. We got open in 10 minutes.
Waiting for the retrace to get back in to a short down to the
NQ's getting some really deep divergence to slingshot back up. Just not mad at the other thing Canadians, but it's pretty bad.
I think we want to push down to that at least 70 level though.
I hear some Stephanie Gretchen in the background.
Oh, that's
That voice anywhere.
the Helsers.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's the Peace album.
Like as the deer panteth for the water.
Oh no, it's the Peace album, Bethel's Peace album.
Alright.
Yeah, nice.
See, sometimes I'll play that in my kids' rooms for their worship.
No, fall asleep.
My son, yes. My son would listen to this Jen Johnson song on Peace album for like 2 years straight, every night. He made some like crazy leaderboard on Spotify for where listeners or something. He's like the top 1%.
That's so funny.
I was like, oh my gosh, of course you are. Dude, every night, there's just one, the same flipping song. He's such a fucking hack.
My nephew, Faith's nephew, his song when he goes to sleep is oh my gosh, what is it? When I hear sing a hallelujah, that song. Yeah.
He did that for a while too.
Oh, did he? Yeah. That's like his. He's like 7 now, and he's still when he hears that song, he's like, no, I don't want to go to sleep. Like it still puts him to sleep. That's like a sleep song.
That's so funny.
Yeah, we got a mantra for our little guy too. Okay. So I think we're gonna head down to
We're hitting some, dude, YM just hit this big trend line, and it's got heavier divergence also.
yeah, YM's probably gonna hit this level here.
NQ feels like it's got a little bit left to go down this trend unless I've drawn it wrong, which is possible. Trend lines are always really nice.
Oh, who am I talking to? I'm talking to some friends. Where's the voice chat? There's a friend. This guy's like, hey, who are you talking to? And I'm like, oh, I'm talking to friends on we have a private channel. There's not really a voice chat. I mean, I guess we could do voice chat, but yeah, I'm not sure if I want to open that up yet. I'm talking with some homies. Someone's asking. I was talking with some friends. Just kind of watching price. News at 9:45. Probably gonna hit down to 9 to 9 this level here. 985 is probably the next target. I think 981 honestly is probably the next target. So let's see here. Do we have some? Oh, we have some SMT for sure. ES took these lows and YM took these lows. So maybe we don't have to hit that if we don't.
Oh yeah, I mean S&P has nailed this. Well, one, it's hit the VWAP and it's hit this trend line. I think it's a good. I mean, we'll see what happens. I'm not buying blindly, but this could be a rad place to buy.
Yeah, I agree.
If it bounces and goes up 50%, right? If it just takes the 50% of the previous leg, that could be a great little scalp.
Yeah, you mean if we retrace back up and then down? See, look, we got ES popping back up.
Your heavy discount. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I bet we sweep down. We take a little sweep on. Oh, I'm looking at ES on my left. Damn it.
Yeah, I mean ES is. Hold on a sec. I can't tell with this chart. I got YM and ES on here.
ES is low. ES is like taking some serious low stuff.
So see, we got this level. Yeah, ES definitely is way more bearish.
Anyway, so just don't listen to me.
I'm gonna wait till 60. It's interesting because the trend line, like it's about to hit the bottom of the channel on the trend line, but I feel like it wants to push down to 1964 or 18964, which is below the trend line in the middle of that 5-minute order block. I think I'm just like,
See, there we go. We just hit that level of 985. Swept that. Ooh, look at that. Look at that reaction from that. After we swept those lows.
Popped up. My ES popped up. Let's see if it holds. There's a 1 minute fair value gap on ES.
We just swept those lows. We got a. We do have an SMT, but
The next major SMT would happen on like the 720 candle. Down at 58. If we're looking for big points of SMT, you know?
yeah. Yeah, we might. I think SJ minutes. I think we are really bullish because we're at all-time highs. But you gotta think of the weekly profile. Thursday's probably gonna be the high of the day, high of the week, and we might retrace. I'm sorry, Wednesday or Thursday might be high of the week, and we might retrace back and create a weekly. We might just go down because right now we're in bearish order flow for sure. See, now next target is 981. Boom, that swept. Watch. Damn, why am I not in this trade? It's okay. I'm just watching it. No FOMO. No FOMO. So 981, there it is. We're in bearish order flow. I think if anything, we'll take.
Oh, we started regular divergence now. Let's go.
Oh, dude, we're going down to 975. Let's see here. We got some.
There's an
Oh, SJ, cool. So we hit 50% of this leg. Let's see how we react. Dang it, I wish I would have held on one of them. We hit 50% of this leg. We got a big hour order block down here. So it might be an OTE entry on this current leg, on this on the larger hourly leg here. This could be a big manipulation leg down. Oh my gosh, look at that drop. See how we react to this. 50%, low past 50%. If we get lines up with negative 4 standard deviations on this hourly order block, I think we're gonna, okay, we hit that. We're either gonna hit here next, we'll probably hit that, and we'll probably hit here. Where's open? We might manipulate down and then go back up, honestly, because we're at is a 50% retracement.
I'm gonna jump off and jump back on. See you later.
Dude, should've went short there. That was a great short. That little pullback. But we're about to open to 2 minutes. I want to see us hit this order block. I want to see us go down here and go back up. And then let's see, and then retrace back to 50% at least, but we're looking pretty bearish. 1 hour, 30 minute. We're gonna inverse this 30 minute and might get support from this 30 minute. Let's see here. Let's see here. I want to see us manipulate down at the open. Then we get news at 9:45, so I'm just like more cautious. I'm getting short here. When I
Order filled. Order working.
let's watch this hit.
Order filled.
Boom. Quick scalp. Quick scalp there. Up 749 for the day. Watch. Here it is. Boom. Come on. Here it is. That was a quick little. How many point scalp was that? That was a 8-point scalp. Not even 10 points, but you know, in and out, easy trades. Should I have left one? Probably. Now we're gonna hit this order block. We might reverse. If we don't reverse here, then we're definitely bullish. I mean bearish. And gonna continue at a head lower, down to we're hitting a 1 hour order block. Let's see how we react. Dang, we're getting. Dang. Yeah, okay, we're gonna go to sell side at 829 or 929. I mean, if we. I think we're gonna go to sell side down here. And let's see here. I think let's turn up one setup for live. I'm on the 15-second. Lord, why am I on the 15-second? Okay. Yeah, dang it. I should have left something. But we're gonna take. Where's Asia? Here's London lows down here. Yeah, we're going for London lows at 928. And there's Asia lows way down here, but that we're gonna go down there. Yeah, watch. We're gonna hit sell side.
What a trade, baby.
Did you get that?
Let's freaking go. Let's go.
Nice, dude. What'd you get?
Done. One and done, baby.
What are you up?
One and freaking done. Let's go. Thank you, Jesus. Frick yeah. I like how I curse. It's like kind of stupid. One and done, baby.
Missed you. What'd you do?
God's like, wait. I'm like, ah. Okay, he's like, now. And I did it.
Is this short?
Yeah, long on that hit of the order block on 31.
Oh, you long that retrace, dude. That's risky.
Yep. Oh, I love long retraces, bro.
All right, man. Hey, if that's your easy wins, dude, get it.
But yeah, the logic is like there is going to be a pullback, and if I have like a 5 cent, if I'm wrong, I lose $5 or five whatever. I'm good on it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because look at that, 32 up to 46 is good. Now I'm in evals. I'm gonna trade evals for the rest of the day.
Nice. We hit these lows on ES, so let's.
There's no guarantee, but there's always like 3 equal lows or something like that on NQ, at least 2.
Yeah, relative equal lows.
It doesn't mean we'll hit them though.
Yeah, because ES already hit it.
Where do you guys keep it going on NQ?
I'm not trading anything. I'm just paper trading stuff now. It sure looks like we're going back down for him.
It breaks.
It's a lot of move down towards 28.
Okay, yeah. 31.28.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure ES already hit them.
Yeah, ES already hit it.
It's a huge red candle.
That's why I'm a little risk. I'm a little. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take it because ES already hit it. Oh, is that a big new day opening gap? Oh, we have a huge new day opening gap, so we might actually fill this. shoot, hold on. I think I gotta take out the trash. Hold on.
I honestly kind of want to get into a short.
Yeah, we're gonna short down to 9:28, but let's see here. Dang, I wish I'd.
There we go. I think we're heading back down to it now. There's just too much momentum on it too, not to nail those.
Yeah,
I like the
Let's-
Dava lows.
let's try to get it.
I like just too juicy.
Order working.
Let's try to get in and see if we can get a scalp.
You got any short, Jack?
Yeah.
I was trying to get it those lows.
What lows? What levels?
28.
Order filled. Modification rejected.
Yeah.
Order working.
But we got news in 4 minutes. Oh crap! I should have just. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, it's not a good sign. Might get out here.
I'm losing my demo trades.
Yes, in the order blocks.
That's insane.
I don't like that big.
Just forces down for a quick pop.
Oof.
There we go. There we go.
Push.
There we go. That was a great entry. Yep, now we're gonna hit it. Let's see if it hits. Yeah, I think we're gonna hit it. I want to see this.
Where do you think we go? Do you think we hit? Do you guys think we hit 18,905 today?
Uh,
No idea, bro. Tell you one thing, Jack YM screamed through this double bottom level.
it already went through. I'm a little wary of taking this because,
Screamed through it.
yeah, because we already hit those SMTs. I'm a little wary of taking this. If we close, okay, I'm gonna. Oh wait, is that a? Oh no. Let's see. We have news in a couple minutes, so we might just. I'm gonna get out. This is a little too risky for me. Go down a little lower. Come on.
Listen to me, Jack. There's some pretty sick hidden divergence to go. That's bearish. So
Let's see where we go.
I'll be right back.
All right.
Raj.
No, I'm not liking this.
Order cancelled.
Let's see here. I'm gonna wait till news. We have news in 5 minutes. So probably exited too early, but that's okay.
I left the window open upstairs and it's pouring.
We got news in a little bit. We got an hour order block right here. We're just trading within these order blocks in the hour. That's why we're getting all this resistance or all this choppiness. And we have news. And we're hitting a breaker on ES. Excuse me, guys. Be right back.
You there, so the camera's off. It's kind of dark.
My camera's off?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. You're right, when I came back on.
Amazon saw. Oh man, I should have stayed in. Dang it.
Oh, it just dropped in.
Ah, got out too late.
It wanted to.
Oh man, look at that. Now it's gonna hit. Shoot. Friggin' A, man. Got impatient. Well, that's okay. I'm gonna be okay with my choice because it just was too risky for me. And I'm just gonna be okay with that.
Heck yeah, bro.
There it is. It hit.
You just weren't getting good fills.
Oh my gosh. I would have gotten. Should have stuck to my conviction, man. Shoot.
That's right. That's right.
Alright. Here's a big FPG. A big 1 hour busy.
Good news, I'm off. I've already done my good damage for the day.
Yeah, dude, you missed it. Congratulations, man. That's awesome.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. You're welcome, man. Or,
You're welcome.
yeah, I just need to. You know what? I just feel so much more confident now that I like started to identify where a true A+ setup is on IFVGs and stuff, and it's like they're really clear.
Yeah.
And it's a good entry model. I just need to like settle down and stick to what I know to be really good. It's
Gosh, we're.
hell, I'll even enter in before it inverses it, just because I felt something in the force, and then I lose. So I just need to settle down, take only the A+ setups as if I was trading for a living.
Yeah. I'm gonna long when it hits around 18,898.
Man, I should have trusted that. I think we might go for Asia lows. I think we're gonna go down to 862 if we take Asia lows.
A little buck there, huh? It's a fine low support level.
So next sell side is around 862, 863. We got a huge new day opening gap. Man, I think I'm gonna get in like 3 cons. Feeling some FOMO. Let's see. Here's news here. I'm gonna retrace back up here. Actually, let's see what happens at news. I don't want to get in yet. I got wrecked yesterday. Good news. So I'm watching. We took London lows. I'm watching Asia lows around the 863 level. Is our next draw. So we violate this 1 hour BISI. I mean, we're definitely just in bearish order flow, and we're gonna fill a regular RTH regular trading hours opening gap. So
Get close to your 9-8 spot there, buddy.
18,903 to 18,908, yeah.
Ooh, he has to put in really nice hard loops there. Let's see what happens.
Damn, should have taken that trade right there.
It's a
all
really
good.
nice inverse on the 1 minute on NQ.
we're still bearish for sure. I mean, these order blocks are bringing price down. Okay, news in 1 minute. This is a 1 hour.
Ooh.
42 seconds. What'd you
I'm in
just
the
do?
short. I'm in the short at 9:30. Stop at 19:38. I played
You're
the
in the
news.
short a minute before news?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Come on, bro. I'm up 475.
So you got the buffer, you're saying. Is that what you mean by that?
No, I'm on this trade.
Oh, you're still in it.
Yeah.
Oh, got it. Oh,
There
you're
we go,
ending the
baby.
trade.
That push. I'll get out there.
Oof.
You just in and out, getting a couple points. Is that what you do, Christian?
Oh my god,
There it
I
is.
should stay. Dang
See?
it.
Watch for the. I think we're going for Asia lows down here.
The bounce.
Let's see here.
Let's go, baby.
Should jump in again.
Yes. Made $5,000 on that trade.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, let's
Traded
go,
to
buddy.
freaking 898, baby. Let's go.
Dude, good job,
That was
Christian.
sick. Whoa.
Oh, that was sick, man. Well done.
Yeah. All right, there's a news candle. And let's see
How
here.
many contracts did you do on that?
On that one, I did 20.
20? Just written heavy, dude.
How did you make 5,000 on a few points? Well done.
I see the trade.
I love it, Brody. I love it.
Yeah, that's okay. That's it.
You guys are really good influences on me.
Dude, yeah, that was a good freaking setup, but yeah, I'm not gonna do that type of game.
That was an eval though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good stuff. Good stuff. Hey, bro. Well done.
Dude, what a trade. What a freaking trade, bro. Oh my gosh. When I was shorting, and that candle just dropped like that, I was like, oh my goodness, I can't do it. About to hit 50, about to get that macro time.
Technically, we're in it. Some people think 45 is the macro.
Honestly, don't think
Yeah, some people say Zusi says that 45 to 10 is the macro.
Yes.
Or 10-15. Sorry, 45 to 15
Yeah.
instead of
Did you see that interview?
with Zusi.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
interview
With
he had?
the Riz.
Yeah, I thought it was a great interview, actually.
Yeah, I'm so impressed with that kid. He's freaking 18 or something, and
Dude, insane.
yeah,
Insane.
I mean I think he's been training it since he was or been in the markets, since what do you say, he was like 16 or something like that.
Something like that, yeah. Some silly number like that, yeah. Well, Lord, I just thank you for Christian, Lord. I thank you for the wisdom that you're giving him, God. I'm just thankful, Lord, that you are for the settled heart for Jack and Christian, God. I pray you just, Lord, would you make us into people that just see through the BS of the market, God. And you would just, I pray your Holy Spirit would give us eyes to see, ears to hear everything that's going on. I pray that you would make us out. I just pray for that whole thing. I see in Daniel, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, these three young men with Daniel that they were in the Father. They didn't. They literally
Order working.
and without being in it, Lord. And so I just, I feel the Holy Ghost on this. God, I pray for a spirit of Daniel on
Order cancelled.
and the other guys too.
Gosh dang it, got in.
Amen, bro.
Amen. And I got into.
Holy cow, dude.
We're dumping. We're going to 863.
Drop in there.
Yeah, we're going to 863.
60.
Yeah, we're gonna go to 863. Watch to Asia lows.
Whoa, I'm power right there.
Oh man,
Power almost gone.
feeling some FOMO, man. I need to. Let's see here.
Love you guys.
All right, man. Shalom. Peace. See you later, Jesse.
Bye.
Nice day.
Gosh dang it! I was gonna get in these Atlanta low or these data lows, but this got swept, and I think we're going to 863, filling up this gap. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get in 3 contracts here. Just go light. 45. Let's see if we hit these order blocks.
Order working.
If we get a retrace to this little Zibi right here. Oh, it's an order. Is that a little 30-second order block? I'm just gonna short here and then.
Order filled.
Dang. My stock filled.
Oh wait, hold up. We hit. Hold on. That might be a bad short. Shoot. Let me see here. Where's Asia lows on on ES. Oh dang, we already, let's see, yeah, Asia lows is down here. Oh, we already swept Asia lows. Shoot. On ES, that's SMT. That makes me less confident that we'll hit it, but maybe we will. Maybe we will. Let's see here. So this is Asia lows. We already swept it. We haven't, still need to close. Let's see here. Let's do.
Order working.
863. A63, and then do 15. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. And I want to see this. I want to see this drop all the way down to fill this gap at 815.
Order working.
Oh, sorry, 842. 815, dude. It's a huge gap. Well, we'll probably get support from it, honestly. We're probably going to hit down to 843 is probably a more. So target one is 63 at that level, at that Asia lows. I'm already up 1900.
Order filled.
Boom. Okay, got one contract left. And let's see if we hit 842 at this level, at this sell side. 842. I'm up $2,000, 2,300 for the day. And looking to see if we can get some more, squeeze some more points out. I kind of wish I went heavier on that, man. Dang, that momentum. That's okay. Let's see if
Order working.
free trade. Just put a stop there, just in case. But with this momentum, I think we're gonna go lower. We got an hour breaker here. We're gonna fill this volume imbalance right here, and I think that's a safe target. 43 at 843 level, right around there.
I don't even know where you're seeing that 843 level.
Just look left. Look left. It's at that swing low, 843, and then but ES already filled the new day opening gap, and it's getting support from. ES already filled this. So let's see. ES already filled this gap. I'm just looking at it here. Let me just pull this up. So ES is getting support from this new week opening gap, so we might go back up. Might not hit my target, but we'll see. Because ES already hit it, and I might just get out right here. Macro's almost over. No, the macro started. So yeah, let's see. Let's see here. So since ES already hit this, ES could potentially hit. The next sell side for ES would be down here. But ES is ripping through this new week opening gap, so that's a good sign. It means NQ would hit my target at 842. Yep, I think ES is going down at 321. It's probably the next sell side for ES. Yeah, all right, I'm just gonna leave it. Nice, cool. So that's how many points is that? That's 60 points. Nice. 60 handle play, dude. Boom. Hit this target. Hit it. 842. Let's see it. Are we going to inverse this hourly? Come on, let's see it hit. I think if we close below this hourly will be inversed. Which would be a good time for bearish order flow, which I'm pretty sure we will. Oops. much. Trust, trust. 842, come on. Last target. Let's go.
There we go.
We might fill this. No, I'm gonna take it off there because we might get support from this new day opening gap. This blue shade for me is this new day opening gap. And let's see what ES is doing. But I think it's gonna sweep this and then go back up and retrace back up, potentially. It might retrace 842 and then retrace back up. Let's see what ES is doing. Yeah, ES is kind of retracing back up. ES needs to hit the sell side at 321. And just waiting. Got a wick. Okay, yeah, I think we're gonna hit it. Thanks. All right. So who's in this trade with me? Who's on chat or on watching me? I got five people watching me. So anybody in this? There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Order filled.
Boom. Target acquired.
Order cancelled.
And all right, now I'm looking for a retracement. If we hit this breaker, I might be done for the day, man. I'm up 3,500 for the day. It'd be nice to hit 5,000 for this account for today, but I'm not trying to rush anything. So we just hit that. Our next target is gonna be. Oh, we already hit that. 842. Watch for support here. We might bounce and go back up. Oh yeah, we did. Right at 843. Let's see here. 1 hour. Yeah, definitely inverse this 1 hour. 3 minutes. This might be huge manipulation leg down. And then hitting this breaker. And I'm expecting to see support from this breaker. Well, I shouldn't say I'm expecting it. I'm just going to see what price does on this hourly breaker. And it's at 50% or OTE level of this big hourly range. So if we're looking at this hourly, take this huge range here. This is my OTE right here. This is OTE right here. So it's 50% OTE. And we'll see how sensitive if we hit this breaker. How sensitive we are if we hit this breaker. Let's see what ES is doing. So ES violated this breaker. ES still hasn't hit sell side. What else am I seeing on ES? We got this. Let's just take a look at ES and see if there's any confluence here. Yeah, I mean ES looks like it's gonna take that sell side. We got a 4-hour breaker. That's ES is still holding potentially. So there's let's see here. I don't really see anything. There's just a big rejection block on ES here, but let's see if that holds and does anything. So let's go back to NQ. 1 minute. Where you at, Christian? You you watch for the bounce here. We just this might be a let's see here. I want to see us dip below the swing low at 836, or this, what is this? 838 level. I want to see us dip below that and then bounce back up. But yeah, so watch, we're probably gonna retrace. So now I'm gonna take the 50% of this range, this big hourly candle, and see what 50% does. Oops. You long that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's a decent setup if this gets, yeah, see, we swept that, and then now probably, let's see here, if we get we got a 1 minute CISD, okay, see here, I think we're gonna go back down again and sweep these equal lows. Let's see, let's get rid of this. So I don't trust the long yet. I think we're gonna retrace down. Are these equal lows? Oh no, those aren't equal lows. Never mind. So we got okay, that's a 5 minute SIBI that we're rejecting from. We haven't filled the new day opening gap, but we're getting support from this new day opening gap. Oh, sorry, we haven't filled this regular trading hours gap. This is this highlighted thing right here. Yes, did. Getting support from the new day opening gap, waiting for sweep, and then long. Yeah, that's what I would do too. Sweep of yeah, I'm waiting for a sweep of these lows, potential CRT play on the hourly, and then target is 50% of this hourly range, this hourly candle, I mean, at here, kind of roughly at this hourly inversion, probably be my target if I long. But I'm going to see a sweep of the low of this hourly candle of 838. I want to see a sweep that. It's right there. We're right at 50%. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of this. Clean it up. Okay. So yeah, see, like I said, I think we're gonna sweep that, and then ES needs to take the sell side too. So ES is probably gonna take the sell side at 321. We're going to go lower, and then I'm expecting a reaction back up. Let's see what happens. I want to see us hit this 1 hour breaker and be real sensitive off that. Boom, back up. So like this. Boom.
What levels in 1 hour breaker?
Top of the 1 hour breaker is 831. So that's what I want to see, something like that. But I might just be done for the day. I'm just kind of tape reading because I've already taken my trades. I'm already up. So I might just be done for the day, unless I see something really, really real prime, then maybe. I do like this. No, I don't. I want to see a big bearish order block created. If I see a big bearish order block, I'm not bearish, a bullish order block, so down close candle created, and then we close above that, that'll be a nice order block CISC play. Right now I'm looking at this inversion, potential inversion. We inverse this with some big momentum, then we might go back up. But we still haven't hit this breaker, so I'm a little weary here of taking that. What's ES doing? So ES create equal lows. I want to see ES. What was that level? 321. ES has not swept 321 yet. Are we leaving that? I guess we're leaving that. Yep, ES has not swept 321. Is that SMT? We might inverse this. No, it's way back here. Okay, I might go in light here. Just real light if we inverse this. If we get momentum going back up and inverse this, I'm gonna go we're almost, macro's almost done. I might do one contract here. Let's see here. One contract. Go light. I want to see down here, sweep that, back up. I want a CRT play. Oh wait, we did sweep that. Did we? On the 1 hour? No, hold on. No, we didn't. I want to see sweep this hourly.
You should actually say, Jack, when you should actually say like the levels, like not because some people might be like what hourly, etc.
Okay, well, yeah, I want to see a sweep 838. So I want to see this dip below 838, sweep that, and then back up to about midway point of this. I'm looking for a CRT play. I'm going to take a fib, measure out this hourly candle, and what the heck just happened? Oh, that's fine. So yeah, I'm going to see us bounce back up to 923 if we get that. Waiting for sweep, and then long SMT with YM. I don't look at SMTs with YM that much. I don't know. I just feel like YM does its own thing. And even though it's SMT with YM, I don't consider high probability. I do, unless it's... Because SMTs are more of like a secondary confirmation for me. Confluence. It also depends on the time frame. If it's a like hourly SMT, then I'll look at it. But I more look at SMT with ES. It's a stronger SMT, in my opinion. Which I don't know if it's fully true, but it seems like SMT with ES is a stronger, higher probability SMT rather than YM, because YM just does its own thing. Let's see, what is YM doing? Okay, YM swept. Okay, so I get what you're saying. YM swept. And if we get a CISD play, let me see here. We did get a close above this 5 minute. It's not really considered an order block though, but I think I'm gonna get in right here. I think I'm gonna get in.
Trying to short.
Actually, no, I'm going long. Actually, no, macro time's over at 7:10. I'm probably gonna chop around. Not getting in right now, unless I see a really bullish candle above this inverse. But YM did sweep this. But like I said, YM has a mind of its own sometimes. So I just I don't really consider the SMTs on YM that strong. SMT is high probability for... Yeah, that's great, man. And what... I think Let's see here. Let's go long.
Order working.
I want to see us bounce off this propulsion block. Oh gosh, dang it. Give me fill. Give me fill. Give me fill. Ah, no fill. Going out. Going without me. Dang it. No fill. Ah, man. Ah, I didn't get a fill. Well, just watching price go without me. Let's see. Hit this order block. If we violate this order block and close above and inverse this 5 minute, which I think we have, yeah. We've inversed it, dude. We're going up. Okay, I'm gonna get in this 5 minute play here. Come on, give me a little tracement back. We got a 5 minute inversion. There we go. But we're outside the macro time, so not super high probability. That's why
Order filled.
I'm just gonna go in one contract and target up here.
Order working.
I don't even know if I'm gonna hit that because that's a 1 hour inverse. Probably get some resistance. I think this is a safer target right here at 912. Nah, super low probability. I might just, I don't know. We're outside the macro time. Here's a volume imbalance right up here, 925. That we might hit. I'll move my target up there, make it worth it a little bit. We held up 934. No, I'll just do 10 points. Why not? Just scalp 10 points if we get it. I want to see this SIBI or this BISI hold us up. I'll go real light on. If this is a real account, I wouldn't even take this. We're outside the macro time. But this BISI, I want to see hold price up. And let's see how long we can hold this for. So 50%. I moved up here. I might be greedy. Let's see if we inverse. Let's see how we react at this. Oops. Get this off the screen. So yeah, we're gonna get some resistance at this hourly inversion right here. So where you at, Christian?
Still up 5,700.
Nice, man. I
Yeah,
think
I'm on this trade. My stop's at 889. Bought in at 03. I'm hoping for the push up to that 924.
924, yeah.
I might just get out here, to be honest, and try to get in again. Yep, I'll do that. I'll try to get in again for a better fill. But just a bit too chopped for me.
I think I'm just gonna go to 925. That's what I'm doing. There's a volume imbalance right there. Just a safer exit for me. It's 20 points, $400. You know, it's great. So let's see here. Let's see if you create an order block here. That'd be great. You need to close above this order block right here. Let's see what ES is doing. Okay, what's up here? A lot of buy side up here on ES. If we close above here, a 5 minute, that's definitely a 5 minute CISD. Change in state of delivery, which is a really good sign. We got a 15 minute SIBI that we're coming against. I need to close above here. Let's see how we're looking. I'm just gonna chop around, honestly, probably till about 10:30. So let's see. Yeah, man, these propulsion blocks, man. Should have gotten into the propulsion block. Got a 5-minute volume balance right here at 924 or 920, whatever, 925, 926. And we're going to come up against hourly FEG right there. So probably, yeah, see that rejection? The hourly inversion, bearish inversion at 910. Let's see here.
Pretty biased that it hits that 928 level. I just don't want to get a quick drop to 90.
No, we're bullish, dude. We're bullish, especially if we close above this. Yeah, we create a 1-minute order block. That's going to support price up. And then if we close above this in the next, let's see here, 15. Oh no, we just closed that. I need another 15 minutes to close above this 15-minute. I need to close above this 15-minute SIBI right here.
Damn.
Yeah, it's just
Uphill.
yeah. So let's. If this BISI breaks, then I'm gonna exit. See, body's still respecting the BISI. Let's see how we're doing. 1 minute. Not even inside a macro. So that's why we're not. Price is super slow. Oops, my bad.
Me too.
Alright, so BISI still holding price up. That's a good sign. I want to see this 15-minute SIBI inverse. But it's going to take some time because we got another 15 minutes left. Let's see here. Just watch, let it play out. I just want to see this volume imbalance. Oh, hold on. I don't like that. This is a 15-minute, looks like a 15-minute rebalance, potentially. So I don't like that. We might reject here. So watching this BISI, we hit the wick of this 50-minute, which means this gap doesn't need to be filled anymore. Let's see here. I want to see 5-minute close above here. Yep, not liking this. I think we're going to drop a bit more. See here, the CE of this BISI. The CE of this BISI. The bodies are closing below the CE, then I'm going to be out.
I got out. 74.
Let's see. Let me just see here. I'm still in. I'm just watching it. Okay, 1 more minute till the macro. Let's see what happens. So the body's still holding this BISI. The bodies aren't closing below, so that's a good sign. Just hit the inversion, and let's see here. All right, we got 1 more minute. Boom. All right, 1 minute. Let's see if we get some volatility. I'm looking at the 30 seconds. This SIBI, and that'll confirm my thesis of a bullish price action, but body closes below, I'm gonna get out. Yep, out.
Order cancelled.
So took a $320 loss on that. So I'm up 3,200 instead of, yeah, that's all right. I'm up on that, or took a loss on that. I'm still up. Maybe we'll sweep again. I'm still up 3,022 for the day. Yeah, hopefully we sweep again. So basically didn't hold, and we got a 15-minute that we're rejecting from as well. No 5-minute. Let's see here. Where's? Yeah, I want to see some SMT as well. I want to see ES sweep below, sweep this 321, and then go back up. That would give us a protective low. So let's see what happens. I want to see ES sweep this, and then I'll get in if we sweep that. Let's see here. Is ES going to sweep this? Might just be done for the day after that. Took one loss, and yeah, let's see here. Let's see if we get a 30-minute CRT. Let's see what 30 minutes looks like. Whoops. Yep, 30-minute would be a good CRT. That's the whole 30-minute play. 30-minute CRT play potentially right here. But I need to see a sweep of 838 or ES sweep 321 first and leave 838 on NQ. That'd be a great sign. And then that'd be SMT. Is there any? Is that a 30-minute devil's mark? No, it's not. There's still a little wick on there. So a couple more minutes till 10:30. If I don't see a setup, I'm just gonna be done for the day. Be up 3,200 for the day. So Christian, I bought 15. How many? I have total 15 250K accounts right now that I'm trading with. So if I pass this, dude, I'll pass. I have 15 250K accounts. When I pass this,
That's insane.
yeah, dude. We're gonna have all of this, have this week and next week to pass. So not tripping. I think it's super doable. Let's see what happens here.
Yeah, I've seen this kind of stuff before. This 55, I don't think it sleeps that lower again.
I'm looking for ES to sweep the low. I mean, either one. Is that equal lows on ES? Low 32, 2250. 22. No, it's relative equal lows is a little bit higher. Let's see if price does anything at this 10:30 macro. Oh. I would like to get hit 5,000 Buy today, make another 1500, but I'm not going to try to force anything. PM might be good because we had news, and then tomorrow we don't have any news until, we have 10 a.m. news. So PM session might be good. But I think, let's check today. Did we hit the daily lows or highs? See here, yesterday's low. Nope, we're not even close to yesterday's low. Let's see it on ES. We already swept today's highs, or yesterday's highs. We swept yesterday's highs on both ES and NQ. So that objective was met for today. And if anything, we might be bearish. Let's see here. Or not bearish, we might just chop around here on this range. The hourly inversion. And yeah, we'll see. I'm kind of surprised that we had decent price action because Asia's range was so high, or so big, I mean, so large. Thanks for joining, whoever just joined. So appreciate you watching. Just tapering it right now. Currently up 3,200 on this account, on each account. And looking for a sweep, ES to sweep these sell side, creating SMT, and then going back up. But volume's really low right now. The get 3 minutes till 10:30. Let's see what happens. Creating lots of sell side trend line liquidity right here. Same with ES. And then we got this hourly inversion rep here. Let's see, we got 1 minute. See what the 2 minute looks like. I think I just might be done for the day. I mean, this is just main objectives were hit for the day. I think we took out Asia lows, London lows on NQ. We might just chop around within this range for the rest of the day, within this hourly range. Volume's low. I mean, maybe the algos are doing something else to you longing, Christian?
Yeah.
Yep. All right, man. Good luck.
You're out?
No, I said good luck. I'm not long. Go for it, dude.
Yeah, I think it's a good play. I think we push up to 926.
Yeah. Hopefully.
I really do.
We're hitting some order blocks right here.
61. Just such a freaking... Just a bit of it too much of a... I want to see a little retrace.
We got a small little breaker on the 15 second. So just be careful.
Yeah.
We're getting resistance around basically this 892 level. But it's a 15-second breaker, so I mean bearish breaker.
I think we hit 923, man. I think we're going to push down a little bit first. Come on, give me an entry. 74 is too far.
This is basically a bearish breaker on a 15-second or 30-second. We might push down and then go back up.
That's what I'm hoping.
But we'll
Down like 75.
We'll see, man. There's not a lot of, yeah. Not a lot of volume. Okay. Oh, we had a 5 minute. Dang it, I didn't see that. We had a 5 minute devil's mark right here that we already hit. that. Yeah, I mean, we got this big 30-minute. If anything, my target would be 913. I have this 30-minute Cibi unfilled. It's just a gap that's left open. But I want to see a sweep of ES or NQ before I long into and hit this 30 minutes 915 level. 30-minute Cibi. That'd be my main target if we were to, yeah, it lines up with this hourly inversion as well.
On my account.
But let me see. I need to see a sweep first.
One of my accounts is just super behind. Taking the exact same trades in all three accounts. I'm up 5,400 and two of them and only 3,600 in the other one.
That's weird, man. Yeah, sometimes TradeAway does that. I noticed that when I only will move and make adjustments on TradeAway, because when I was doing on TradingView, it would just adjust that one account and it wouldn't adjust the other ones. So that's why right now I just do it. Are you doing everything on TradeAway?
Yeah.
Yeah, strange. I don't know, man. All right, this macro's dead. Strange. This is just time distortion. So I think it's the oh, there we go. There's a little something. But I want to see ES take some lows first. No sweep. No sweep. No sweep. We might head up to 912 level.
Through this level, 05, we're going to send up to 13.
Are you still in that trade, Christian?
No, I got out.
Oh, bummer.
No, it's okay.
Went your way.
Yeah. I was really curious about this 54 account here. What's going on? Bro, I didn't see the discount code for the things you bought. Damn it.
No, I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe I'll send it to now later.
912, 914.
I'm going to go up. Like 90?
So this order block right here, I think we're gonna go to 912 to fill this 30-minute Cibi. But I'm just gonna tape read it. It's low probability. You got an order block right here. I mean, this might be a propulsion block, but volume's so low that I just don't really feel confident in it. Here's the trade idea right here. To 912. Terrible RR. That's it right there. Oh, wait.
So if I risk 90, you know what? I'll risk it. I'll risk 90. I get stopped out. What is this right here? This is 90.91, 90.50. So if I get stopped out, I get stopped out.
I'm not super convinced yet because we're for longs, because on this 15-minute Cibi we're respecting that Cibi, so we're wicking into it, but we're not closing above, or no strong bodies closing above. 5-minute, we did inverse this Cibi, so we got a 5-minute inversion, but the volume's really low. I have no bodies closing above this 5-minute big order block here. So we're just chopping around. This would be a CISD if we do get a close above this 5-minute candle. But that's why I'm not taking anything. And we're kind of at equilibrium of this current range. So it's just like we're in discount technically, but just not high probability. I think it might be done and come back in the PM session at the last hour. Power hour. Let's see here, what day is today? Maybe. I have some work I need to get done.
I'm just gonna take the loss on that trade. It wasn't that bad. It was like $100 loss.
Were you shorting or were you long?
Danced around too much. I was long. My stop was at, I got in at 02, my stop was at 890, and I kind of just got played with, to be honest. I felt like I got catfished.
A lot of sell side ES for sure. A lot of sell side right here. I want to see his.
I do believe we go up to that 820 level, though.
Sweep sell side, man. Doesn't look like it's happening. We're within this 4-hour breaker on. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. Sweep. We're just ranging, so I'm just gonna wait for a sweep and then go back up. But we'll see. Oh no. I'm waiting for manipulation leg down and then back up. But let's see here.
Same, bro. Same. Let's get it, Jack.
What's that?
Freaking get it, bro.
Yeah, man.
Said, let's get it. Past all 15 accounts. Your quality of the video is really bad, by the way. I'm not sure what's going on.
My quality for what?
The YouTube. Maybe you can ask other guys too. It's very blurry. You're very blurry as well.
The YouTube quality? Oh,
Yeah, like you're blurry and your screen is blurry.
oh, strange. Maybe my internet's off. I don't know. My bad. Or maybe your internet's. It might be an internet thing. Not sure. My latency is normal. I could change my latency to like high, or ultra high, but it makes everything run super slow when I do that.
829. I don't know if we get that retrace.
915 would be my target. If we get that, I mean, this would be considered mitigation blocks if we close above.
It's a 32.
If we close bodies above 909 level, then these would be mitigation blocks, at least on the 1 minute, or the 910-ish level. But the volume's so low, it's like just snail trail world, dude.
40, bro.
Yeah.
About to be macro time, right? 40.
The end of the macro time, it's done. 2 minutes.
Oh, so that's what you had.
Yeah, so
You had, 50 to 10, 20 to 40, 50 to 10. Those are the two.
yeah.
Got it. Alright. How are we going to wick down all the way to 63?
We're just ranging, man. We're just ranging. Who's that chatting with us in our group chat? That's Blair. Another insanely clean gap fill. SPX open. Yeah, nice. Blair caught that gap fill.
And dude, how many trades SPX? That's crazy. SPX has not been like kind to me in the past. I just don't see us retracing before we hit that 90 MA on the 1 hour, which that level was right on the order block of 927.
Oh, I thought he said.
Dang, yeah, we're gonna hit it. Put your ideas.
Yeah, 912. Yep, there we go. 912. See, we filled that. It's just not clean though. I mean, like, we filled
Super
that.
dirty.
It's super choppy.
Super dirty.
Yeah.
Eventually, I do think that we retrace down to like 70. I don't know, actually. That could be the low of the day. You know? Maybe we retrace down to 90 again, and I'll get in.
Hold on, I'm talking to Blair right now.
90, 96.
I'm done for the day. Macro's over. So I'm done for the day. My kid's up. So it's family time until 9 PST for me. Just gonna hang out, do some work. Might jump in an hour later, or for the hour and a half of power hour. Jump in at like 2:30 or so. We'll see, dude. So we'll see.
What are you ending the day at?
32. What am I at? 32, 22 on each account. So yeah,
Congrats, man.
just continue that trajectory. That'll be 15,000. All right, man. Peace. See you guys later. Thanks for joining me.